Hello and welcome to Primary Earth Maths Magic. Today we're going to be learning about formal addition, renaming Year 3 Lesson 1. Let's get started. Have a look at this question. When you add 9 and 3 together, the digits in the 1 column will be 2. For example, here. What other digits can you add together that will make 2 in the 1's column? To have a go yourself, pause this video now. Okay, let's have a look at a few of the answers you could have chosen. So for example, 1 plus 1 equals 2, which gives us a 2 in the 1's column. Another example could be 2 plus 0 equals 2 again. How about 7 plus 5 equals 12, again giving us a 2 in our 1's column. 8 plus 4 equals 12 again. And finally 6 plus 6. There's a few examples of digits you can add together to get a 2 in the 1's column. Right, let's have a look at our method. Okay, let's take a look at our question. 792 add 61. For the formal addition method, we've arranged these numbers in their place value columns of ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, let's have a look at how to start this calculation. We're going to start with our ones column here. We know that 2 add 1 equals 3, and we put that under our ones column here. Our next step, to have a look at our tens column. 9 plus 6 equals 15, although we cannot put 15 completely in the tens column. So we put our 5 down and we rename our tens, which would go here above our hundreds column. Okay, so our original question would be 7 plus nothing, but now we've got to include our 1 that we've renamed also, so it's 7 plus 1, which equals 8. So now you can see that 792 plus 61 equals 853. Okay, think you've got the hang of this method? Challenge yourself by solving these calculations using the method we've just practiced. Pause the video now. Right, let's check our answers. So our first question was 231 add 186. The answer was 417. Our second question was 426 add 227. Our answer was 653. Our third question was 568 add 281. Our answer was 849. And finally, 439 add 465, which equals 904. Well done for giving that a go. If you made a few mistakes, go back and watch the method again. If you got them all right, let's try some maths mastery. Take a look at this calculation. It has some numbers missing. Use your knowledge of this method to find the missing numbers. To give yourself time to work this out, pause this video now. Okay, let's take a look. So we'll start with our ones column here. We know that 4 plus 1 equals 5, and we've got that done already for us. Let's move on to our tens column. We've got 4 add something equals 2. If we look at our number over here, we can see that our 1 has been renamed. So that means we're going to have to work out what number would have a 2 as its ones and a 1 as its tens. Can you work it out? It's of course 12, so our answer would be 12. So to work this out now, we can use our inverse. We can do 12 subtract 4, which is, that's right, it's 8. So our missing number here is 8. Now we'll check our hundreds column. You can see that we've got 5 plus nothing, but don't forget we've got our 1 that was renamed from our tens column, so we need 5 add 1, which is 6. So our missing number here is 6. Let's check that answer. So the question was 544 add 81 equals 625. It's time to rate your understanding of this method. If you rate yourself a 1, you fully understand the concept and can solve different problems using the method. If you rate yourself a 2, you understand how to solve the problem and are ready for a challenge. And if you rated yourself a 3, you're starting to understand the concept but need a bit more help. If you rated yourself a 3 or a 2, watch the video again to become more confident using this method. If you rated yourself a 1, you can move on to addition with renaming part 2, year 3. Did you know you can download resources for this lesson by visiting our Primary Earth shop at TES? Simply scan the QR code with your phone or tablet camera or click the link in the description below. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching our Maths Magic video. If you enjoyed this video, like and comment to let us know, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks, see you soon.